2024 has been a standout year for DJI, introducing not one, but two impressive drones that have captured everyone's attention. First came the DJI Neo, a compact and affordable choice designed for beginners who value simplicity and portability. Not long after, the DJI Flip arrived, boasting a larger frame, innovative folding design, and advanced features, though it comes with a much higher price tag. Both drones cater to newcomers and share some similarities, but their differences can make it a challenge to choose the right one. Whether you're considering your first drone or looking to upgrade, let's take a closer look to see which one truly stands out for you. The DJI Flip and DJI Neo represent two distinct philosophies in drone design and portability. The Flip's foldable design prioritizes versatility, making it an excellent choice for travelers or anyone needing a drone that easily tucks into a backpack. Despite its portability, the Flip maintains a robust build and stays under the crucial 250-gram weight limit, freeing users in many regions from registration requirements. The Neo, on the other hand, takes a simpler, non-foldable approach. Weighing just 135 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and features a compact, toy-like design that's easy to handle and store. Built-in propeller guards enhance safety, particularly for indoor flying, making it an appealing choice for beginners or hobbyists seeking simplicity. Both drones cater to novice pilots, with user-friendly features like enclosed propeller guards, one-touch palm takeoff, and automated quick-shot modes such as rocket, circle, and follow. These intuitive tools empower users to capture dynamic, professional-looking footage effortlessly. Additionally, audio recording through the DJI Fly app includes noise reduction to minimize propeller sounds, making both drones practical for capturing clear and immersive content. While the Flip offers a more adaptable and travel-ready design, the Neo's lightweight simplicity and safety features make it a compelling option for those just starting their drone journey. Each model reflects DJI's focus on combining innovation, compliance with global regulations, and an accessible flying experience for new users. When it comes to flight time and performance, the DJI Flip sets a high standard. With an impressive 31 minutes of flight time and a range of up to 14 kilometers, it's designed for extended sessions and outdoor exploration. Its level 5 wind resistance ensures stable performance even in challenging conditions, while AI-powered subject tracking and a robust 3-axis mechanical gimbal delivers smooth cinematic shots with ease. The DJI Neo, by comparison, offers an 18-minute flight time and a range of 7 kilometers. While it lacks the advanced wind resistance of the Flip, it remains a reliable choice for casual flying. Its straightforward controls and compact design make it especially appealing to beginners or those looking for a simple, quick-to-use drone. Camera performance also highlights the different strengths of these drones. The Flip features a 1x1.3-inch sensor with dual native ISO, a bright f1.7 aperture, and the ability to capture stunning 4K video at 60 FPS or detailed 48MP stills. Advanced tools like hyperlapse, pano, and master shots elevate its appeal for creators seeking professional-grade results. Meanwhile, the Neo sports a smaller half-inch sensor, recording 4K video at 30 FPS and capturing 12MP photos. Its single-axis gimbal with electronic stabilization provides decent results for casual content, but lacks the refinement of the Flip system. In terms of safety and storage, the Flip includes forward obstacle sensors for enhanced flight safety and expandable storage via microSD cards. The Neo, while lacking obstacle avoidance, offers 22 gigabytes of built-in storage and stands out with its compatibility with DJI goggles for an immersive FPV experience. Perfect for hobbyists and younger pilots exploring FPV flying. Ultimately, the Flip's superior flight time, advanced camera system, and safety features make it a better choice for users seeking versatility and high-quality results. On the other hand, the Neo's simplicity, compact design, and FPV capabilities cater to casual users and those prioritizing ease of use. One of the biggest distinctions between the DJI Flip and DJI Neo is their price, which reflects their target audiences and capabilities. Starting at just $199, The DJI Neo is remarkably affordable, making it an excellent entry-level option. Its low cost positions it as one of the most budget-friendly premium drones available, ideal for beginners or casual users seeking a simple and enjoyable flying experience. The DJI Flip, on the other hand, starts at $439, over twice the price of the Neo. This higher cost is justified by its advanced features, superior camera system, extended flight performance, and robust build quality. For users who can invest a bit more, the Flip offers outstanding value, especially for those aiming to refine their skills or produce professional-grade content. Both drones deliver impressive value in their respective categories. The Neo is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable, straightforward option, while the Flip is ideal for users seeking advanced features and greater creative possibilities. So, which drone suits your needs? Will you go for the sleek and feature-packed Flip or the compact and budget-friendly Neo? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.